Here's a closer look at our two launch recovery systems, Ralar and A-MMP. We gave these soldiers no instructions with Ralar. It took 3 minutes to load and strap down. That's the point. Fast setup, low burden. These are dual-use systems built for both defense and commercial operations, and they're vehicle agnostic. We're already maritime capable. Our technology also works on remotely operated vehicles. These soldiers recovered the drone hands-free in 20-mile-per-hour crosswinds, the kind of conditions that normally halt drone operations today. And they work on autonomous vehicles too. Trucks as well. A-MMP turns any vehicle into a mobile drone base with drone magazines, keeping drones charged and mission ready. Same exact technology for commercial operations, just packaged in a different container. Maestro is how one person launches, manages, and recovers many drones with push-button simplicity. With our AI integration, we simplify multi-drone operations, including swarms. Here, Maestro directs 2 drones to follow a truck in formation, simulating asset protection or even tracking threats or suspects for both military and police usage. The market has plenty of drones, but most are tied to fixed launch and recovery points and heavy pilot workload. Target Arm is the enabling technology for drone launch and recovery from moving vehicles autonomously. No pilot needed. The result is mission continuity, persistent coverage, and faster, better decision making, with the same core systems for defense and commercial users.